everyone obsessed with ranking in the Google top 10, and that was okay because that was the traditional SEO. But right now this is the era of the AI. So my question to you, have you ever checked that your website content is appearing on the ChatGPT, Google AI overviews, or in the Perplexity? So this is not only going to give you the more clicks and the conversion, but also give you the trust of these AI LLMs. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you the tool with the help of you can monitor and even the track of these AIs whether they are actually suggesting your content or not. For example, I have searched best WhatsApp marketing tools on the Google, and this is the AI overview. It is suggesting me the summary and the answer to my question or the query, and along with that I am getting these content suggestions to check that out. So this is what the AI overview or AI search here suggesting your content in the front page. So if I scroll down below, there's also the top 10 position, but before that we have the overview. The same thing goes with the ChatGPT. I have searched the best WhatsApp marketing tools, and along with the answer to my query I am also getting the citations to these website. Okay, so this is what I mean. So let me show you the tool with the help of you can track that. So this is the highlighted AI. The best thing what I like it here, all you have to just add your website and the query you want to track, and after that it is going to give you the overall the monitoring. For example, right now on the Google overview for the AppSumo, this prompt or the question I have added for the tracking, the 50% it is just suggesting. On the Meta and the OpenAI, it is also giving the sum of the traction of the traffic. You can also add the competitors to check out whether your competitors are actually tracking their monitoring or getting any traffic for the questions or not, or the queries or not. You can also check that out. Okay, so this is what this platform going to help you. So I'm going to give you a demo how you can just use it. First of all, I'm going to delete this project here, so from the scratch I can show you out how this work out. So once you got on the highlighted.ai, you have to simply add your project, and after that you have to add the your website URL. For example, right now I am using the AppSumo brand name and the AppSumo website URL to giving you just for the demo here. So I have added here. Okay, and now simply click here, create weekly recurring report, whether you want the weekly report on this tracking or monitoring or not. Okay, so let's click here on this save, and now it is going to ask you the prompts or the questions or the queries you want to track. So I'm going to add here 3 dots, and here I have to add the add prompts. So now we are going to add simply our topics we want to monitor for our brand content or website content appearing on these AI chatbots or the LLMs. Okay, so let me go for the best lifetime deals. You can add the multiple queries here. Okay, and after that this is all the AI models it is going to track or the monitor. We have the Google search, okay, we have the Meta, we have the OpenAI, we have the Cloudy and the Perplexity. So this is all the major AI LLM models. So simply click here on this save, and now it will start tracking out. So we have added the project, simply go to the project, and now it will start showing up. For example, you can see on the Google, this is the AI overview. Here if I search the best lifetime deals, okay, best lifetime deals, you can see, okay, this is not overview is showing up. So let me, okay, so overview is not given, so I can go to the AI mode and see if it's actually offering the AppSumo or not. You can see we are getting here on the AppSumo. Okay, in the links we will also get the AppSumo. Okay, so this is all the 19 site appearing now, and there's also some other website as well, like this is the blogging website. Okay, so this is how it is going to help you to monitor the brand's content appearing on the AI mode or not. You can check that out with the other AI models as well, like the ChatGPT or the Perplexity. So the platform is actually the pretty good. You can also add the competitors to check that along out whether your competitors getting the most of the traffic or you. Okay, so you can add that. For example, I am right now adding a competitor. So if I go to here, and this is the a competitor. Okay, so simply I have to get the name Lifetime. Okay, get back to the platform, Lifetime, add here. Okay, I have to associate the project, simply save, and now see. Okay, so let me refresh the page. Here I can see it is not showing up. Okay, for example, it can be the locational differences. Okay, might be that possible. So again, see, I am getting the most of the here tracking. So this is right now still in the some of the features improving, and I think with the time we can get more improved tracking here. Okay, we can add the multiple projects in the every project. We can add the multiple prompts or the queries here. I can also edit the project if something I have found is not suitable for me. So if I talk about its lifetime deal, yes, its lifetime deal is available on the AppSumo starting from the $59. You can get the link in the description. Okay, so if I go to the plans and features, we have the up to the tier 4 plan available. Yes, up to tier 4, and every plan will give you the projects or the brand you want to track or the queries you want to track. For example, in the tier 1 you can add the one brand and the 30 queries you can track daily. But if you will go to the tier 2, we have the 3 brands limit, and the we can also add the multiple projects and the workspaces. Same goes for the tier 3 and the tier 4. So if you want to check it out, the deal link will be given in the description. There's also a 60 days money back guarantee if somehow you are not happy. And along with this tool, if you are going to buy with my link, I am going to give you the bonus of this guide, ultimate guide to AI search optimization. Here I have added the steps, the checklist you can follow to track or even rank highest on these AI search models or AI mode. Okay, so you have to just follow all these steps. It is going to help you to rank better or optimize your search AI optimization or appearance. So that's all for today's video. I have just given all the link and the resources in the description. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.